to start it, I have to bridge the starts right up. Oh, you probably want to hear her start up. Sounds pretty good. Runs and drives good. She's fast. So 67,000 original miles. So here's my 1987 Pontiac Fiero GT, 3.8 liter supercharged, intercooled, ZZP XP cam, interior redone. Engine's running good. I bought this car in 2019, November 2019. I engine swapped it in 2020. I got the body work and everything, interior restored 2022, February 2022. So been about 4 years since it started looking like this. Been pretty happy. It usually does really good at auto or car shows. So, but it's an 87 and it's an automatic. And what I always wanted was an 88 GT with a 5-speed manual. So, surprise, I got this one. Found it up in Tennessee from Cody. Thank you, Cody. So it runs and drives. It is a 1988 GT with a 5-speed manual transmission. It's got 164,000 miles, but it's been running and driving. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. Paint almost looks like it was painted with a rattle can. So if not, they use a paint sprayer. Not sure what happened, but runs and drives. But the starter, I can't get the starter to work unless I use a screwdriver. Interior's a little bit tore up, but getting Mr. Mike to make me some seats, and nothing. Can't start it. If I push it, it'll push start. I'll show you that. And if I use a screwdriver, it'll start on the starter, bridge the solenoid. It's the starts right up. But if you know what might be the issue, I already checked the, I replaced the ignition switch. I have not replaced the clutch start safety switch yet. So I'll be trying to figure out what is causing it not to start. So what do you think? Should I keep it should I repaint it in the original red? Should I do the Eastwood Fireball red pearl metallic, like red here? I don't know. What do you think? Leave your ideas, thoughts, comments. Troubleshooting the starter. Leave that in the comments for me. Thanks.